Maytag washers use calibration mode to balance the drum and optimize spin cycles. It usually lasts 2 to 5 minutes. Your washer might get stuck due to uneven flooring, overloaded drums, power surges, or faulty door locks. The control board runs an algorithm to detect imbalances. If your washer seems stuck and the control panel lights are flashing or displays a cal code, it's likely stuck in calibration mode. The most common solution is a hard reset. Unplug your Maytag washer from the power outlet for 1 to 2 minutes. This clears the washer's memory and can often break it out of the calibration loop. After waiting, plug the washer back in. Immediately after plugging the washer back in, press and hold the Start Pause button for 3 seconds. This manually cancels the calibration process. For models with touchscreens, try entering diagnostic mode using button combinations like Power plus Options to manually exit. Check your user manual for specific button sequences for your model. After exiting the stuck mode, force a recalibration to reestablish the washer's baseline. Run an empty load on a clean washer or sensor clean cycle if your model has one. Alternatively, power cycle the unit multiple times by unplugging and plugging it back in. This helps the washer relearn weight and balance parameters. This process helps the washer relearn its weight and balance parameters for optimal performance. Newer Maytag smart washers receive over-the-air firmware updates that can address calibration glitches. Ensure your washer is connected to Wi-Fi. Check for updates via the Whirlpool app. Some updates include features that auto-exit calibration if the washer is stuck for more than 10 minutes, mitigating the problem in many cases. If resets and recalibration don't resolve the stuck calibration mode, the problem likely lies with faulty hardware components that require professional attention. Common hardware culprits include a malfunctioning door lock, which prevents proper sensor readings during calibration, a damaged load sensor that fails to detect weight and balance accurately, and a faulty control board that cannot process calibration data correctly. These hardware issues often require professional diagnosis and repair. While replacing the control board may be considered, always contact a qualified technician for proper assessment and installation. To prevent future calibration issues, first ensure your Maytag washer is level and placed on a solid, stable surface. Uneven flooring can cause the sensors to misread the load balance, leading to calibration problems. Avoid overloading the drum and distribute clothes evenly around the drum before starting a cycle. Overloaded or unevenly distributed loads can trigger calibration mode as the washer detects imbalance. Protect your washer from power surges by using a dedicated surge protector. Electrical interruptions during cycles can disrupt calibration, so a surge protector prevents voltage spikes that might damage sensors. Regularly clean your washer to prevent buildup that can affect sensor readings. Run a clean cycle monthly with no load to maintain sensor accuracy and avoid calibration issues caused by residue. If you've exhausted all the troubleshooting steps we've covered, like hard resets, manual exits, recalibration, and firmware updates, and your Maytag washer is still stuck in calibration mode, it's time to call a qualified appliance repair technician. They can diagnose and fix complex hardware issues that are beyond DIY repairs, such as faulty control boards that may need replacement, typically costing $150 to $200. According to repair experts, about 15% of stuck calibration cases require professional part replacements. Ignoring the issue can lead to further damage and significantly reduce your washer's lifespan.